The grid shows all your webinars in a nicely way. This website is turned to English, but the webinars itself are in German, and that's why they do show German. Registrieren, and this is in German. This is not translated, but this is here. So maybe a bit mixed up, but normally it shows in the language the webinar is. So if we later add a filter for the languages, or you select per language to show per language, then yeah, it's already done in your language, in your date and time format. So let's go here. So that's German. That's the grid settings, and here you can select the webinars, maybe per, how you say, per language or per topic, and then you can just add English here. Select two, no, select two. And you don't need this English class, it's only just for remembering what it is for. If you search inside, if you have that English, German, Latin, or whatever. The categories can be set up when you have webinars. That are don't have a custom registration page. This is maybe here. Edit site. And here you go. Here we have the grid options. Right from archive, and the grid categories, I don't know where they're coming from. So let's just do it without. We want to redo it when we thought we do some custom post steps, but we didn't yet. So you can do the label classes just for styling or identifying. And then you copy the code, edit the page, and add it here in shortcuts. Let's just /s for shortcode, and then you paste it. And save and view, and then you go. That's beautifully mobile responsive. And yeah, that goes on a higher scale also. Let's style. Okay, let's style. Here we have the meeting. So that's instant access, because it has instant access. This has not instant access, but the next appointment is the 17th of February. I was just adding this by the developer. So it shows not choose a date, so just show the next available date. Here you can write some more information. Let's tweak this. And tweak this, we don't do in the grid settings, we don't do in the registration page or in the normal page, we do it here. Registration. And I selected, sure, the webinar and its settings in German. That's why everything is in German. You have meta information. So that's the title. That's the description. You see the title. Let's do it here. No. Here. So for social sharing, the picture is here, sure, but not for the grid. The grid is here in the CTA area. Yeah, you can do a GIF animation. We can do like this. Let's look how it's look like. That's also the CTA for the registration page. I wouldn't suggest to do a video here because If you have 10 videos, that's maybe too much. That somehow look good. Or, yeah. So, yeah, nothing more to say. Upload a video. If it is wider than high, then it's maybe good. Let's focus on this. It's also wider than high. Yeah. Oh. These are like, yeah. And I will let the developer double check for the language, because here this is definitely German. It should be German. And it shows when you registered, it's autofilling the name and the email address, so I can register. Yeah, and normally it shows only if the current user, logged in user, is registered. So, but for the testing of these leads, you also get another email address. So that's somehow interfering. And that's why it's still showing register. But if you, yeah, that's somehow complicated, but you're registered. So if you do it as a non-admin, then you see it that it's registered. And then also I can register for another webinars. And yeah, so that's good. So this what you show here. Also a GIF animation is possible. And yeah, I like it. Somehow good. I will add this to the knowledge base. Talk to accesses via the website. Learning center knowledge base. Here we come. And then you do grid. Yeah. Okay, so new is it's working with version 4. New is doing some date and time from the webinar, which can be improved. And we have this that we show the next evergreen date. So we have the live webinar has already a next date, only one date, and the evergreen will show the next date. So it's like we have all these, where is it? All these nearby. Here's the picture. Before it was like this. Choose a date to attend. Here now it shows that's the next date. That's the next date. Yeah, that's important. And then you show also you're registered. Thank you.